Low tonight, -1. Thursday, showers ending in the afternoon, then clouds after that. 15 to 25 millimeters of rain to fall tomorrow. That's quite a bit. Southwesterly wind tomorrow, 30, but gusting to 50 near noon hour. The high tomorrow, 17 kilometers, or 17 degrees Celsius tomorrow. So warm day, and with all that wind, if there were branches damaged by the ice storm from the other day, the wind could blow things around, so be careful with that. Overnight,
Yep, freezing rain tonight. I don't know how do you get the accessory? Maybe that's it there, is it?
And the high of 8.
Okay, there we go.
It's only Sunday night that things kind of get cool again, and the temperature will go -4. Right now, in the National Capital Region, it's overcast, 0, and with a little bit of wind out there, it feels like it's 7, really fun to all of it.
Oh boy. Alright, now these are the chicken pieces. This isn't quite what I was after. I was after the $9 meal, but I ended up getting this instead, somehow. This was $18, but you get a lot more food, I mean. Alright, how do we adjust this now? Anyway.
It's 90s and more with you everywhere. Jack 92.3.
Alright, well there you go, there it is. Okay, there's the wonky tree with the weird branches sticking out. These meals are quite good. I figured I'd come down here to Lower Reach Park and eat a little bit. I have no clue what that is, or what that display is with the N 1% and all that. I have no idea. Anyway, there's a song from the 90s. I remember that. I was around 30 years old when that was out. Anyway, he's got the dreamer's disease. It's a pretty spot down here. This is Lower Reach Park. When they decided to put a park here, they were coming up with names, and they settled on Lower Reach for some reason. I don't know what other names they considered. Maybe Grope You Up Park, or I don't know. It's hard to say, really. Anyway, believe it or not, this used to be the dump. Right up into the late 1960s, this was the dump. Now it's a park. Times just keep changing. Anyway, I'm going to eat a little bit of chicken and some fries, and we'll see you later.